Today we'll be looking at a whole host of other formatting options for index cards in Scrivener 3 for Windows that we haven't yet covered. This means we're living in File and Options today. Where else? Click on Appearance and let's go to the corkboard first. I'm still not covering everything here today. If I skip something, we haven't yet covered what's necessary to explain it, or it's in one of the previous videos. You'll see there's an option to select shadows around cards. This might make them stand out better against the background you've chosen. And you have a slider to make these softer or harder. This one does seem to make some difference. Under Colours, you'll see options for different views. They all have basically the same options, but we haven't yet covered the alternative views, so we'll just be looking at corkboard background for the moment. You have some standard backgrounds, such as looking like a corkboard, and two different types of graph paper. You can also add a custom background, so an image of your own, by clicking on this option and selecting the image from your computer. If you simply want a custom colour background, click on the little box and select your preferred colour. So, under index cards, we've already covered fonts, but if you want more options for colouring elements of your cards, you have plenty of options here. You'll see background is here again, probably because of the switch to default option, but you can also change border, divider line and text line colours. But we haven't covered text lines yet. You'll see there's an option to show text lines, which just means make it look like lined paper on the cards. Next time we'll be talking about adding images to the corkboard. Yes, you can do that.